Hey everyone, today's vlog is about Batu Caves and I'm going to take you to Petronas Twin Towers as well. I got my Uber, we're gonna go to Batu Caves. I was gonna do the train but I have no time. I'm in Malaysia right now, in Kuala Lumpur, and look. Good afternoon. We are now at Batu Caves. Finally, I am in Batu Caves. This is one of the things that I want to see. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. Wow. I don't think I can go up. I'm not gonna go up all the way. I will be here only for 40 minutes. Okay, let's go down.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There you go. It's free. I thought I had to pay this. It only take about 30 minutes to get here from KLCC to Batu Caves. So I don't have much time. I cannot stay here very long because I have a tour at Petronas Tower. So I'm only here for at least 40 minutes. My time is so limited that I can't go inside. I don't need to. Just because I prefer to see Petronas more. This is just an extra tour for me. Okay, before you guys go up there, please watch this. No tripod, monopod. No smoking. No stroller. Gum, food, luggage. Since we can't, I can't really bring selfie stick, so where do we go? I am at the Petronas right now. Going in. Wow. Oh, that feels good.
And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you.
I'm too early, 6 o'clock. Can I go in?
6 o'clock.
It's too early.
Too early? So I can just wait here?
Yes, you will here.
Okay.
I don't know know if what we had was just a waste of time. You got
Welcome and selamat datang to the Petronas Twin Towers. To ensure that you have a comfortable and safe visit, I would like to introduce some very important do's and don'ts and safety procedures. Please take note that smoking, drinking, and eating, including chewing gum, are strictly prohibited. Please do not leave your approximately 750 tons.
You are now at level 41, standing at the height of 170 meters above the street level. For information, inside tower number 2, and right in front of you across the bridge over there is tower number 1. This company in Malaysia named Petronas, and approximately 11,000 employees work in both towers. So there's no residents, no one living inside both of the towers. This car is actually double-decker bridge. It's the highest double-decker bridge in the world. The upper deck, level 42, is reserved for staff movement for both towers, while level 41 lower deck only open for public visit. The interesting and unique features about this car is actually it's not fully attached or connected to the main structure of this building.
I am here.
Bring Zita Jones and Sean Connery to the middle of the sky bridge. You gotta see it again. After Tom Cruise seen this movie, he also want to come up with third building, Mission Impossible Part 4, Burj Khalifa. Mission Impossible Part 5, the beginning of the movie, the black guy to the TV tower of us. So you gotta watch again.
Petronas Twin Towers. Okay, right now you are at level 86, standing on the height 370 meters above the street level. Okay, for information, Petronas Twin Towers have 88 level, but we open for the public until 86 only. Others two are mechanical and also construction room. Okay, here you are given time about 15 minutes to spend. When the time is finished, I'm going to call you according to color pass, which is you in red group, and I need your cooperation to get the bed here. And
We just got done. I'm done. I'm so tired right now. Malaysia. Petronas at nighttime.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.